Ta-da! The Fusion 550, my new helicopter, this time from Blade. Had to put 2 batteries for the extra weight. This helicopter is pretty tail heavy. Phew. So, as usually, kinda nervous on my first flight. But on other hand, I'm already familiar with big helicopters. Maybe I should just treat it like normally. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure what tail gain is needed for this heli. Hopefully it's enough. Sounds slow. Oh wow. This is so quiet. The tail is fast. This is interesting that I don't feel too big difference between my T-Rex and this size. Maybe just too low RPM. Okay, let's check if rescue works. Seems to work. Feels like some bubbling. Okay guys, time to land. I want to check if screws are okay. Ooh. Need to be careful on landing. Feels like needs some tuning. I kinda expected that stock tuning in Brain 2 will be fitting. Servos are not hot, that's good. Because they're a bit slow, I had to put higher voltage. I will try to reduce tail gain slightly. Let's see. Stop. Ah, yes, okay. I'm not sure about 3D, guys. Just easy testing flight. Well, maybe some loop. Oh, that thing is fast. I mean, it flip rate feels fast. Maybe thanks to higher voltage. Damn, it's a bit sketchy to fly without canopy. So easy to lose orientation for me. I guess I will be doing 3D when I will have canopy. It's hard to say if tail gain is okay. Tail feels a bit floaty. I can see some vibrations. Hard to say if blades are tracked. They look even, or maybe not. Oh, look at that airflow. So powerful. I need to check if my soldered spots are hot, because I'm not too good at soldering, but RPMs are so low that I believe temperature should be okay. It's barely warm. I'm not sure why it's vibrating. I guess I will try to recheck angle of blades when I will go home. I don't know, but when I was hovering this thing in front of me, blades looked tracked. Well, okay, enough for this video. See you guys.